Well, good morning, good afternoon, or maybe good night, depending on what time you are watching this video. But I wanted to put a quick tutorial together for you guys to be able to access your Teams and to be able to download your Microsoft Office suite. So I need you to log into your office.com. In order to log into office.com, you need to use your school email account, which is the username and then the @stu.k12.wv.us. If you do not remember your school login, you need to contact your links teacher. They will be calling you multiple times throughout each week. Make sure you get that information from them. The password list has been shared with your links instructors. So, with that being said, let's continue. In order to get into your Teams, left click one time on Teams, and your Teams option is going to load. Now, I am on an Apple, so it's saying right now that Teams is in preview in Safari. It's going to ask me to download the app. If you are also on an Apple, you will want to left click one time on the download app, and then your Teams on desktop. It just gets better. Download Teams, and you'll see that my icon and my package for downloads has gone to my downloads folder. We're going to give that a couple minutes to download, and it's ready. It should only take a few seconds depending on your internet access. But if you will, and you can't see me doing it now, but in the bottom left hand corner of my downloads icon started jumping up and down like a little Jack Russell Terrier. That means it's ready to go. Left click one time on the Teams package, and you will see that you get your Install Microsoft Teams. You'll be guided through these steps to install your software. Please hit continue, and then go ahead and hit install. Now, if you are working from a PC, you will have very similar instructions. Follow what it needs you to do. And I'm going to go ahead and enter my password and then click my install software. And then here in a couple seconds, it will say that the installation was successful. So I'm going to go ahead and hit close. It'll ask me if I want to move my stuff to trash. Okay. Now, once your software is installed, you will want to go to your Finder or your applications, and then Teams should be in here. And there you go, Microsoft Teams. Double click to open up your software, and any of your instructors that are going to be using Microsoft Teams while we are out for quarantine will be able to contact you directly. And as you can see here, these are the teams that I am a part of. Your teams with your class names will appear here. Now, not all teachers will be using Teams. Some of them will be using Teams, some of them will be using Zoom, some of them might use some other software. So please pay attention to which software your teachers want you to use. With that being said, it's also going to be really helpful for you guys to download your full Microsoft Office suite information. And in order to do that, you're going to want to go back to your office.com account, and you're going to want to be in your dashboard area here. And if you can't get to your dashboard, if you've already clicked into Outlook or you've gone into OneDrive in order to clock in for any of my classes, come up to your waffle, and in the top right hand corner where it says Office 365, left click that one time. Once you click the Office 365, it brings you to this dashboard area. Over on the top right hand corner, it'll say Install Office. Left click one time on the drop down arrow, go to Other Install Options, and left click. Once your other install options open, you'll see here at the top Office Apps and Devices. You can install Office on up to 5 PCs, Macs, 5 tablets, and 5 smartphones. It is a total of 5, not 5 each. So if you download the full suite onto your mom's computer, your grandma's computer, and your uncle's computer, and then you have it on your smartphone and your tablet, those are your 5 free downloads. As a West Virginia student, you are entitled to these 5 free downloads to help you with your coursework. These are the full suite when you come here to the install office. If you did not click on other installs and you just clicked on the 365 apps, those are the light versions that were just appearing in your dashboard. If you're working in BCA 1 or BCA 2, you will need to install this full Office suite. Plus, it's also really nice to have in general for your college classes. Now that download will take a little bit of time, but you're going to follow the same steps as before. Once the install is finished, you are going to click on the install button and it will walk you through the install wizard. Make sure to accept all of the terms and conditions and to accept the installation process, and then you will be good to go. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You can send me an email on LiveGrades or through Outlook, or if you need to look me up some other way, you can do that too. You're also welcome to call the school. Somebody should be here to help you. It was really great talking to you guys. I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye.